Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello students, this is your KP Sir, Krishna Prakash. So today I am here to discuss exams that bring them to reach highest positions in their life. Generally, I have seen the criteria or scenario among engineering students in India. So when we differentiate into South India, North Indian students from their plus 1, plus 2 onwards, or when they start in the first year engineering onwards, they started preparing by putting one goal, especially that goal must be any government job. And they dedicate their time, they dedicate their preparation, they dedicate themselves for their preparation. But when I am observing from our South Indian students, so they have plan A, plan B, plan C, or they are in dilemma, or they are in confusion, not having a single goal. So I would like to clarify each and every South Indian student over here that studying a core branch of engineering, try to get a job in the core branch of engineering only. Don't convert into different streams. Don't deviate for temporary benefits. So temporary benefits, temporary salary, small amount of salary, temporarily will satisfy, but it's not long term. So for your long term benefit, for a long career, for the lifelong career, you must choose the 5 different exams in India what any engineer can crack and prepare. So first of all, I will list out the exams. GATE examination, Engineering Service Examination, Staff Selection Commission, SSC, Junior Engineer, State AEAEE, and other exams which are not related to GATE, like DRDO, ISRO, and some public sectors organizing without GATE. So these are the 5 models of examinations we are having for any engineering student. I will explain one by one. First of all, it is coming to GATE examination, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So the name itself, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. The name itself will give you the clarity information. The exam will test aptitude knowledge, analytical skills, logical thinking, total completely depending upon the brain usage. So the IIT is giving the clear-cut name, testing aptitude skills of an engineer, critical thinking and logical thinking of an engineer. GATE examination is having 65 questions, 100 marks. For any stream it is having 13 marks for engineering mathematics, 15 marks for aptitude. For remaining marks you have our core engineering subjects, technical subjects. You have to prepare each and every engineering subject, in-depth concepts and logical thinking will play very, very important role. So what GATE exam can give you? Now you are asking your question. What GATE exam can give you? GATE exam is giving you multiple number of opportunities directly. The first and foremost one, public sector unit jobs. IOCL, BPCL, ONGC, like this n number of public sector units. Around 1,500 to 2,500 jobs every year without any deviation. Every year, any engineering student can get so circular from GATE examination. And not only this one, we have public sector unit jobs. Your GATE score is valid to recruit into DRDO, ISRO. Your GATE score is the entry pass ticket for IIT, NIT, MTech, post graduation or PhD. Most of the students are feeling to enter into IIT. While you are studying plus 1, plus 2, you are very much interested to enter into IIT. But IIT JEE is a very big competition. 15-20 lakh students are writing. Maybe, unfortunately, you are unable to get it. Your dream of IIT will be fulfilled through GATE examination. So, your dream, again you can wake up and fulfill through GATE examination while you are doing masters. You know, masters in IIT will enhance your knowledge, enhance your exposure to the world, and also wide number of placement opportunities. Other than PSUs and IITs, Another opportunity through GATE examination is Masters in Business Administration, MBA. You can do postgraduate program in management from NITI Mumbai. You can do MBA from business schools, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, offering through GATE score. And also you have opportunity to do MS in foreign countries, Germany, Singapore, Malaysia. Our GATE score is valid to get admission for MS in foreign countries. So GATE exam not only going to bring you this many opportunities, in the 4 years of engineering, what you are unable to learn the concepts, the very in-depth concepts the GATE exam is incorporating into you. So in the name of GATE, you are learning a lifetime knowledge. We have the next examination is ESE, Engineering Services Examination. This is providing you the opportunity to become IES officer, the top position for any engineer in India, the dream position for any engineer, highest position for the engineers, IES officer. Engineering Service Examination conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. It is also every year compulsory, around 250 to 500 posts, that will vary year to year, but compulsory recruitment going on through UPSC. It occurs in 3 phases. Phase 1 prelims examination. In paper 1 prelims, paper 1 general studies, different combinations. Paper 2 purely our technical subject. Then mains examination, which is like your engineering examination, a conventional paper. Conventional paper, I repeat, you have 8 marks, 12 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks questions. 2 papers are there, mains also 2 papers, total technical only. There is no non-technical, there is no general studies, total technical divided into 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. If you qualify prelims, you enter to mains. If you qualify mains, you enter to interview. The 3 phases are very crucial and a score in each and every phase is very crucial. Here I would like to give you a suggestion for the ESE aspirants. If you are aspiring to be ESE, please do patient. You must have to spend at least 2 to 2.5 years. A lot of time you need to spend. Please understand, first attempt ESE is not at all cleared. It needs 2 to 3 attempts to clear ESE. But GATE examination is not like that. In the first attempt itself you can crack GATE examination. I would like to add one point here. When I talk with any South Indian student regarding GATE, immediately, sir, I am an average student. How can I crack GATE? This is what our South Indian students are talking about GATE. Students, listen to me carefully. GATE is a exam for average students only. No GATE top ranker is a previous class topper. No GATE top ranker is a previously top student. After he decided to prepare for competitive exam, he started his journey to learn the concepts. So once you decided to prepare for GATE or once you decided to prepare for ESE, you must be dedicated, hardworking, committed and consistent. After GATE and engineering service examination, any engineering aspirant can choose, and every year mostly we have the recruitment from Staff Selection Commission, SSC JE, Junior Engineer. Don't feel that it is a junior engineer, but still diploma students are eligible as well as BTech engineering students also eligible. Competition is very huge throughout India. Around 2 to 3 lakhs of students are competing for SSC JE every year. Competition is tough, but number of opportunities also very high. Level of examination is very easy. I swear engineering students can easily crack the technical paper. The only problem for the engineering students is general studies. So SSC JE carries 2 papers. Paper 1 general studies, which include general awareness, aptitude, polity, economy, history, geography, so many subjects. Then our technical paper. Technical paper level is very simple, as easy as like your BTech mid-semester examination. So in mid-semester internal exams you have bits. Same bits are coming in SSC JE. So that is very, very easy. So the only thing you can work for 3 to 6 months for general studies of SSC JEE and the basics of technical subjects. Easily you can crack SSC JEE. And after cracking SSC JEE, what positions you will get? You will get in CPWD department. You will get in MES, Military Engineering Services. You will get in your local boards also. That will be vary depending upon number of positions. But SSC JEE is a very big opportunity for any engineering student to crack the job easily. Because easily why I am saying, preparing for ESC will take a long time. Preparing for GATE you need a little bit of intelligence and logical thinking. But SSC JEE you spend 1 year or 1.2 years. Easily you can crack SSC JEE. Then every aspirant of engineer is looking towards our state government. When the state government can release the job notification. So these may not be regular, but occasionally they are going to release the notifications. State, AE and AEE positions. So it is also a little bit similar to our SSC JEE examination and vary from state to state. I can't say here for one state, two state like that. It will vary, but you have compulsory 2 papers. One is general studies again, another one is our technical paper. Technical paper is as easy as SSC. Just you know the basic concept, easily you can crack about state AEE. And after cracking this AEE, you will be recruited as a municipal engineer. You will be recruited in the R&B department. You will be recruited in the water boards. So the job is very comfortable to you. Why? In your native place you are doing the job. In your native language you are talking. Surrounding to your village or to your home only, you got the posting. So that is very happy for every aspirant. But if you take SSC JEE, you may get job throughout India anywhere. You may get ESC examination also throughout India anywhere. There is no opportunity to choose at your own state, at your own house. But for state exams that is possible. Now, the remaining opportunities comes here, which are not related to GATE, ESC, SSC, JEE and other. Separate exams conducted by different boards over India. HPCL will conduct its own exam. Airports Authority of India separately they will give the notification. Sometimes, rarely, some exams are conducted by ISRO, DRDO, Marg. Without GATE also they are going to conduct the examination. So like that individual organizations examination. And also you can prepare for JRF, SRF if you crack some exams. So the opportunities are wider. The South Indian engineers are thinking about a private job. South Indian engineers are thinking about a present salary, but not about future, not about government job. Please understand, please ensure that government job will give you a bright future. IIT MTech, IIT PhD will give you a excellent opportunity to explore the world and your career at peaks. Please understand this. I repeat, IIT MTech, IIT PhD, as well as preparing for ESC, preparing for government jobs. Your career is at peak levels. So we have a lot of talent. We have a lot of intelligence. Among the world, South Indians can explore everywhere. So having this much quality, having this much intelligence and knowledge, we are restricting ourselves. We are narrowing our path. So please don't do it. Try yourself, push yourself, dedicate yourself to achieve any one of the government job, any one of the opportunity to grab. And my dream, to see all our engineers in the top positions throughout different departments. Let's crack it.